Your immune system is vital for preventing and fighting off diseases. This is especially important with the current coronavirus pandemic. Our lifestyles usually dictate the health of our immune system, and if you want to improve this vital component of your body, then you need to be prepared to make some difficult changes. Some things in life cause harm to your immune system, and if you indulge in these, then you need to stop. Boosting your immune system starts by understanding what it does and how it works. The right diet will provide you the nutrients and vitamins that your immune system needs to stay in tip-top condition and work hard for you. Changing your diet is a big step to take. But if you are eating the wrong things, then you need to do this for the sake of your immune system. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn what the immune system does and how it works. You will learn how much your immune system protects you. You will learn the right diet that will provide the nutrients and vitamins that your immune system needs to stay in tip-top condition and work hard for you. You will know how you can reduce the stress in your life. You will learn why essential oils are beneficial for your immune system and the best ones to use. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. This is how you boost your immune system. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Why you need to boost your immune system. How your immune system works. Avoid these things to protect your immune system. Immune system boosting foods. Supplements to bolster your immune system. Reducing stress to keep immune system levels high. Exercise and sleep. Detoxify your body for a stronger immune system. Using essential oils to boost your immune system. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually boost your immune system. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to know what the immune system does and how it works. You want to know how much your immune system protects you. You want to know the right diet that will provide you the nutrients and vitamins that your immune system needs to stay in tip-top condition and work hard for you. You want to know how you can reduce the stress in your life. You want to know why essential oils are beneficial for your immune system and the best ones to use. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to boost your immune system, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. If for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you boost your immune system. I'll see you on the inside.